And now let's revise lesson 4.5, which is arithmetic sequences. What is arithmetic sequence? Remember, it's a sequence when you have a common difference, a constant common difference. So let's check each question. When are we going to have arithmetic sequence? Determine whether each sequence is an arithmetic sequence. A, 3, 6, 9, 12. As you see, they are increasing. The numbers are increasing with a constant difference, which is 3. They are added to 3 every time. So yes, it is an arithmetic sequence. So part A, yes, arithmetic. So we have this. B, 1.5, 3, 4.5. Remember, when you are going to check, you need to check all the differences. We have to say 3 minus 1.5, it's 1.5. 4.5 minus 3, 1.5. 6 minus 4.5 is 1.5. Or mentally, you can see that they are increasing by 1.5. So yes, it is an arithmetic sequence. Next, C. 8, then 10, then 14. As you see here, 10 minus 8 is 2. 14 minus 10 is 4. So no need to check this to be 6. Yes, they are increasing in a constant pattern, but they are not increasing the same number by the same number. So it's not an arithmetic sequence. Let's see D. For D, we have 13 and then 7. 7 minus 13 is negative 6. 1 minus 7 minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. They are decreasing by 6. So yes, so it can increase or decrease. It is, our D here is minus 6. The difference is negative 6. Yes. Let's see E, the last one here. Negative 8 minus 2 is negative 6. Negative 32 minus 8 is how much? Negative 3. Negative 32 plus 8, it is negative 24. So they are not the same here. That means it is not an arithmetic sequence. Even we can expect that they are multiplied by 4, as you see, by 4, by 4, by 4, but multiplication is not part of the definition of the arithmetic sequence. It's not arithmetic sequence. Given the arithmetic sequence, find the common difference. The common difference D is A2 minus A1, term 2 minus term 1, or A3 minus A2, or A4 minus A3, etc. So let's take the first two here. It is given to be arithmetic sequence. No need to check each one. They are already having the same difference. So it's enough to take the difference of two consecutive numbers. اثنين متتاليين الفرق بينهم يكون متساوي. So we can say D is 32 minus 35, which is negative 3. So negative 3 is our common difference. Remember, it's not positive 3. It's decreasing من 35 to 32. So that's why you should follow the order. Write an equation of the nth term. What is the nth term? The nth term is term number n. Any specific term. N can be any number. So we will be able to write a general equation, which is given by this rule. An, any term, is equal to A1, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times D, where D is the common difference. So let's try to find out what are the parameters needed. A1 is the first term in our case here, in our arithmetic sequence, is 4. Now, D is the common difference, which in our case here is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So we will now fill. N is 4 plus n minus 1 times the D. Don't leave it this way. You need to simplify. So you will distribute 4 plus 3 times n, 3n, and 3 times negative 1 minus 3. We have here 4 and minus 3 are like terms. So you put 3n down plus 4 plus minus 3, which is 1. So this is an. An is 3n plus 1. Now, what's the point of what's the use of having nth term? It is good if you are asked to find any term. nth term يعني any term. يعني مثلا if you are asked to find term number 100, so it will be 100 equals 3 times n is replaced by 100 plus 1, so it will be 300 plus 1 يعني 301. It's not practical to add until you reach to the term number 100, so that's the way. Okay, it's not required, just I'm giving you an example. Don't add something that is not required. Nth term, it doesn't mean well, term number 9 or term number 10. It's general equation. Fill in the values to make the arithmetic sequence. Now, since it is said to be arithmetic sequence, that means they will be increasing or decreasing by the same common difference. So let's find D first. D is -1 minus 4, which is -1 plus 4, which is 3. So that means this will be added by 3. It's added 3. That means this is A1, A2. Now A3 is unknown, A4 is 5, A5 is unknown. A3 will be what? The -1 plus 3, which is 2. So here we will fill it by 2. We know that it's 2. Now, term 5, we know that term 5 will be term 4, اللي هو 5. Also, we are adding the 3. We are adding 3, which is 8 now, and this is 8. This is how we fill in the blanks. What is the 27th term? طبعا it can be changed. They can ask about 27th, 87th, 20, 30, 7, 6, whatever. So to do that, we first can write the equation اللي هي the equation of the function, which is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now an is a1 is the first term, which is 43 plus n minus 1. D, in this case, our d will be 38 minus 43, which is how much? Yalla, try to find it. 38 minus 43. Use the calculator. 38 minus 43, which is minus 5. So you will put minus 5 here. Okay. Now you are not asked to find the equation, so you can directly replace. Yes, you can simplify as we did in the first example, but here he's not asking you to write the equation. He's asking just for the term number 27. So you can replace n by 27 here. So it's a 27 is 43 plus n will be replaced by 27. And this will be a 27 equals 43 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 times minus 5. We'll multiply 26 times negative 5, which is 130. And we will add 43, it will be minus 87. This is term number 27. So n will be replaced by the required term. Given a1 is 35, d is negative 20, find the equation of the nth term, yani an. If you are asked about the equation or the function, you will use this rule again. And the next 4 terms in the arithmetic sequence. The next 4 terms. So let's see what is required. An is a1 is given to be 35 plus n minus 1. D is given to be negative 20. So it will be 35, and I will distribute minus 20n, negative 20 by negative 1 plus 20, which is negative 20n, and this and that are together plus 55. This is our an. This is the equation of the nth term. Now we will see what is the next term. Now اصلا بدون يعني هذا equation خلاص. Now how can we find the next terms? We know that a1 is 35 and d is negative 20. So we start by 35 and we will subtract 20. We will subtract 20. a1 is 35. So 35 minus 20. It will be how much? 35 minus 20. It will be 15. Next, the 15 again minus 20 will be minus 5. Then minus 5 minus 20 will be minus 25. Then minus 25 minus the 20, it will be minus 45. So the sequence or the arithmetic sequence will be starting with 35, then 15, then negative 5, then negative 25, then negative 45, because it will be adding the same difference every time. You can mentally do that, by the way. Yani if you are not familiar with this, this can be done mentally because you know that it will decrease by 20. So started by 35, decrease 20 each time. He needs only 4 terms, so you can list them easily. Let's try another one here. Given A1 is equal to negative 22, D equals minus 30, find the equation of the n term, also the next 4 terms. Let's start by the next 4 terms. This is the first one, and D is negative 30. So mentally, minus 22. I'm using calculator. Minus 30 and plus minus 30 is minus 52. Then, keeping in the calculator minus 52, again minus 30 will be minus 82. Minus 82 minus 30, it is minus 112. Minus 30, it will be minus, I lost the page here, minus 142. So this is the first one. These are the next 4 terms that he is asking for. A1, this is A1, and this is A2, A3, A4, and A5. These are the required terms. So without even the equation, we can do that. But he is asking you to write the equation. So what will you do? An is equal to A1. This should be memorized. A1 is negative 22 plus n minus 1. The D is minus 30. Don't forget to distribute properly. Minus 30 by minus 1 plus 30. So it's minus 30n. 30 minus 22 is 8. Let's try to check. This is minus. Let's try to check. مثلا A5. A5 is minus 30 times 5 plus 8. So it will be minus 150 plus 8, which is minus 42. Yes, it's the same answer that we got here mentally. You can check term 5, term 6, term whatever. And with that, we have done a quick revision about arithmetic sequence. Thank you.